If you wanted to fix this problem on your Google Chrome browser, just follow me in this video step by step till the end. So let's start. First, you don't need to open your Google Chrome. Go and open your settings of your device. Then here open apps option. So right here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Google Gmail or Google Chrome, as you see. Google Chrome, as you see, open it and go to storage. So right here click on clear cache, just on clear cache, then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. Then go to battery, allow it on optimized mode as I'm doing, then go to permission and give all this permission, and then go to your Play Store, check if your browser it's updated or not, and then restart your phone. That's it in this video, guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next